Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to my video. I am just doing my first cleaning motivation video because I am about to prepare my family's Thanksgiving dinner, and I don't know if there's anyone else out there like me, but before I cook I have to have a really extremely clean kitchen. So this is what I generally do before I cook any meal for my family. I always clean the counters, sweep the floors, wipe the refrigerators down, wash dishes, just kind of get everything nice and orderly so that way I can just focus on cooking and not how cluttered and dirty the kitchen is. So that's just what I'm doing here, and I really do truly hope this motivates people or motivates anyone as well. I know right now we are in some really tough times and the holidays just don't look like they normally do. So I just hope everyone is having a happy Thanksgiving and a happy holidays. And yeah, and I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys like this video. Bye.